It's one thing to have a model of space and time that describes this object called a black hole, from which not even light can escape. But it's another thing for nature to actually make it. So if you go through the 1930s, there's a lot of papers. Actually, Robert Oppenheimer and a student of his, Snyder, wrote a very famous paper just before the war, which explored whether a real star in the universe, at the end of its life, could collapse and collapse without limit to form this geometry, this thing that we call a black hole. Just before the war, Oppenheimer and Snyder showed that under certain assumptions, a star could behave in such a way. But it wasn't really until the work of people like Roger Penrose and Stephen Hawking and several others in the 1960s that it really began to look as if nature would build these things. There's this great quote I remember with some fondness, actually. Arthur Eddington, a colleague of Einstein's, who was very English, very proper physicist. And he said, "Nature will prevent such absurdities from existing."